Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Yellow color, red color, brown color, blue color, green color, orange color, black color. Okay, let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's learn some alphabets. A. A for apple. A for apple. Next. B. B for ball. B for ball. Next letter C. C for cat. C for cat. Next D. D for doll. D for doll. Next E. E for elephant. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for hat. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for juice. J for juice. K for kite. L for lamb. M for mango. M for mango. N for night. N for night. O for owl. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rat. R for rat. S for sun. T for tap. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yellow. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now color names. A. Orange color. B. Green color. C. Blue color. D. Yellow color. E. Brown color. F. Light green color. G. Black color. H. Yellow color. I.
brown color J, orange color K, light green color L, blue color M, red color N, green color O, black color P, blue color Q, green color R, yellow color S, brown color T, green color U, blue color V, red color W, brown color X, black color Y, orange color Z, green color. Thank you for watching.